I'm going to show you how you can quickly and easily schedule reels using Maybe. So here I am in the marketing section of our account, and I'm going to click on new post here on the right hand side. Create new post. We're going to schedule a reel, so I'm going to select Instagram here. And you can see that the preview has automatically populated here. It doesn't know we're going to choose reel. And then I'm going to click reel on the right hand side, and the preview screen has changed. I'm just going to pop in a caption that I have prepared earlier for ease of use. And then we're going to click on this video icon here to add our reel to our post of reel video. Click. And I'm going to double click on something that I've already uploaded. Once the reel has uploaded to Maybe, you'll see that the video autoplays. And this is so helpful. This is such a useful feature because you can see on the screen, you've got all the information that as it will appear on your phone as you're scrolling through the Instagram app. So that's really helpful if you are, as I have done, used text in the asset that I've uploaded. Down here in where I'm hovering, you can see this is the cover of the reel as it will appear on your grid. And you can also click here to adjust the thumbnail, just as you would do if you were posting natively in Instagram itself. But I've already got it covered, so I'm not going to change that now. And then we'll scroll down, and where it has the blue post button, I'm going to click here and select schedule post. And I'm going to pick a time and a date, and then schedule post. And then it would appear in my planner. And that is it. It is really as simple and straightforward as that. If you have any questions, please do use the chat button on the bottom right hand side of your screen. Thank you very much.